Oh, hello. I have another letter and sound challenge for you today. I've got a couple of objects I'm about to show you, and I'd like you to figure out what the first sound you hear in each of these objects. The first object I have is from a bird, and this is abandoned by a family of birds, but it's a nest in this tree. What's the first sound you hear in the word nest? Nest. The second object I'd like you to find the first sound is my nose. Nose. It's the first sound you hear in the word nose. My second challenge for you is to write the letter that makes the n sound. Here are the letters that make the n sound. This is the uppercase N, and this is the lowercase n. They both make the n sound of nose and nest. I want you to write or draw or paint the N that's uppercase and the N that is lowercase. My final challenge for you is to go on a wonder walk somewhere safe and look for more things that start with the n sound of the letter N. See what you can do. That would be lovely. We'll see you soon.